Hello and welcome to this HeadSpin tutorial. In this video we will be using one of HeadSpin's devices in the remote UI and collecting a performance capture using the platform. We will show you how to install your app and manually collect and view data on your application. To start using a device, navigate to the host where your device is located, click on the device and click on the Start button. As the device populates, you'll see the device screen on the left-hand side and an overview of the device on the right-hand side. To install an application, click on the Tools tab and upload an APK or IPA file under the Install App pane. You may also install applications by using the Play Store or App Store on the device itself. To start recording a session, navigate to the top right-hand corner of the device pane and click on Start Recording Session. Choose With Network and you'll see the starting session indicator. Once the session is started, the indicator will turn green. Once the indicator has turned green, you will know your session has been activated and you can start capturing data. Navigate to the device and perform your use case on the device. As you use applications, the HeadSpin platform will capture data and present that to you in a waterfall session, which you can access by stopping the recording of the session by clicking the icon, clicking on Stop Recording Session, and clicking on Waterfall or Burst UI. The performance captured session opens up in a new tab, which gives you an overview of the device and session itself on the left-hand side. It gives you the ability to see the raw data files by downloading the MP4, MAR files, PCAP, device logs, and others. It allows you to see network overview information in the center. It allows you to see a video of the test or use case on the application on the right-hand side. And as you scroll down, you'll see the time series of available metrics on the device captured session. On the far left, you'll have our AI provided insights, and at the bottom you'll have logs, exceptions, packets available for view. Finally, click on Burst UI to look at bursts of activity in network provided in this session. Look at impacted hosts and gather information on packets. Thank you for watching this tutorial on how to collect a performance session capture, as well as how to install your application on our devices.